The company Plant of Weighing Equipment presents the process of automation of a weighing complex based on automobile scales. The full range of automation includes traffic lights, automatic barriers, road signs, a dome camera for photographing cargo, position sensors to monitor the correct location of the vehicle. The operator's workplace allows you to work in various modes, perform weighing in manual, semi-automatic and automatic modes, and also allows you to generate and print reports. Also included in the package are video cameras with license plate photo fixation, a remote duplicate scoreboard, as well as the ability to control the weighing process and keep logs and archives thanks to the software. The factory for the production of weighing equipment will supply an automation kit in accordance with the individual needs of the customer.